In this video, we're diving into how you can scrape job listings with Browse AI, a powerful tool that makes the process easier and more efficient than ever. Whether you're a marketer, recruiter, or just someone in need of job market insights, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. Stick around until the end, and I'll also show you how to get access to a special free trial to this software. Browse AI is a web scraping tool that allows you to extract data from websites without needing to write a single line of code. What makes it stand out is its simplicity and speed. If you've ever tried scraping job listings from sites like Indeed, LinkedIn, or Glassdoor, you know how tedious it can be to manually collect that data. Browse AI completely eliminates that pain. To scrape job listings, the first step is setting up a robot in Browse AI. These robots are custom-built workflows that scrape specific data from any web page you choose. And what's awesome about Browse AI is how intuitive it is to create these robots. No coding skills needed. You simply point and click on the data you want to collect, whether it's job titles, company names, locations, or salary information. Browse AI will automatically detect the elements of the page and start scraping the relevant details. Once you've set up your robot, it starts running on a schedule you define. You can set it to scrape new job listings daily, weekly, or however often you need. For example, if you're looking for a specific set of job listings across different platforms, you can automate the entire process to gather fresh data each time, saving you hours of manual work. The beauty of this software is that it doesn't just scrape job listings. It can be used for virtually any kind of data extraction. However, its application for job listings is where it really shines, especially when you need to track a large number of listings from multiple job boards. You can even filter the results based on specific keywords, locations, or other criteria, so you get exactly what you need every time. Additionally, Browse AI offers easy data export options. Once the job listings are scraped, you can export them in a format that works best for you, like CSV or Excel. This makes it easy to analyze the data or import it into another system, like a CRM or a job board aggregator. What's even better is that Browse AI works at scale. So, if you're looking to scrape hundreds or even thousands of listings over time, Browse AI can handle that without breaking a sweat. Now, I promised you some exclusive bonuses, and here they are. If you click the first link below, you can access Browse AI for completely free, with an extended trial that lets you explore all of its features without any commitment. This is a great opportunity to test it out and see just how much time you can save by automating your data collection process. In summary, Browse AI is an excellent choice for anyone looking to scrape job listings quickly and easily. Whether you need to extract data from a single page or automate the scraping of thousands of listings, this software is a game changer. Remember to use the link below to access your free trial and start scraping job listings with Browse AI today. Don't miss out. Click below to get your hands on Browse AI and start simplifying your job data scraping process now.